Hi guys, welcome to the Conscious Entrepreneurs channel. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can install Hello Elementor. Now, when I actually check this on my WordPress themes, I couldn't actually find it. So I had to you have to actually install it. So as you can see, it's right here and I'm using it now. So all you simply have to do is you go to this website here. So I'll put the link in the description below this video, but basically you go to this website here. Now this is obviously to get a free version because Elementor I think has different themes. They have the pro and then they have the free version, but if you just want to install the free version, simply go to this website, go down and then hit download. Now I've already done this, so I'm not going to hit download. I'm going to go to my files and I'll show you the zip file, what it looks like. Just give me a second. So the zip file is here, hello Elementor, and then just simply go to your website, go to themes, and then go to add new. Okay, where it says add new here. So I'll click add new. And then it's going to tell you to upload your file. So upload theme here. So you click upload theme, choose file, and then you just choose the file. Now all you simply do is just choose the zip file that you've just downloaded, this one right here, open. I'm not going to do it guys because like I said, I've already done it, but once it's installed, it doesn't take too long, it takes a couple of minutes. Once it's installed, then you just basically go to your themes and then you activate it. Okay, so and then once it's activated, then it will be your current theme, and this is what it looks like. Obviously this blog right here is an empty blog, so it's not going to look very appealing, it's not really going to look good, but apparently it's a really good theme. I'm really new to like all of this, like building websites and all of this. So but yeah, apparently specifically for like local business sites and e-commerce sites, even actually, like there is a lot of variety when it comes to, like there's certain it's not just good for one site. Basically it's good for a whole different types of sites. So anyway, as you can see here, this is my blog. And yeah, I haven't got any content on here, but that's in a nutshell how you install Hello Elementor. Okay, so like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in more videos. Take care.